Machines power supply. 3 live wires and 1 new wires connection with cabinet. A, B, C. 3 live wires, 1 new wires. This is the power supply, and this is each one wire connection. 1, 2 it belong to extrude line 1. 1 is auto feeder. 2 is motor. 220 volt, 380 watt. This one is line 1. This one is line 2. Line 1, line 2. 3, 4 is line 2. Line 2 auto feeder motor. Line 2 extruder motor. Red color is receiver. It's red color. It belong to here, receiver. And each one ground protection wire connected with here. We have max here. This is leave wires, no wires. Connection like this. Some machines exchange. No wire here. We have max. Just to follow the max is okay. And this wires is blower. Blower is 3 live wires connection and 1 ground protection wires connection here. And this is line 1 heating. Line 1 heating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 new wires. This is line 2 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and new wires. And this is the air heating. Air heating 1, air heating 2. This is air heating 1 sensor. Air heating 2 sensor. Okay. Air heating is his. This one is air heating. Air heating 1, air heating 2. And here is the line 1 and line 2 sensors, temperature sensor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is line 1. 6 to 10 is line 10, line 2 sensor. Here, line 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the die model is 5. It's here. Later we'll show you. This is the controller. Switch on and switch off capital panel. This each one contact. We show here. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is line 1. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 5. Line 2. Air heat 1, air heat 2. This is the auto feeder 1, auto feeder 2. This one is the receiver. This is 24 volt. 1 is for this. This one for 2 cooling fans. each sensor, each one panel. Air heating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is line 1. Line 1 extruder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Middle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is line 2. Air heating 1, air heating 2. This 1, 2. This is line 1 motor controller, line 2 motor controller, blower motor controller, line 1 motor, line 2 motor, line 2 motor, blower. This one is the blower motor. Okay, this is the all line connection. Now I introduce you one from one. First one is blower. Blower maintenance. Firstly, we should add oil. Before we adding oil, every year we must change the oil. Oil adding, the middle red line is point okay, not beyond red points. Oil add. Here is the oil up. Blower connection. This is the connection. This one line 1. This one line 2. This is connection with air heating gun. Air heating gun. This will let PP filter surface more smooth. This one, air connection. Okay, to air heating connection with extruder. This should cover the keep warm. Here just demo. We will give you keep warm tubes. Cover it again. Connection to motors. This is 2-line auto feeder. Line 1, line 2. Starting from left, 1, 2. Now we have not installed the model because we firstly to clean the screw and barrel. This is the receiver. This is the auto cutting. Now we can cleaning the screw and barrel. Firstly, we should pull on. This is the pulse by wires. Firstly, we should start this one. Okay, now waiting. So it's power on. 先关掉。And starting. Cooling fan is working. Now is our cleaning process. Firstly, we should starting line 1, line 2, heating 4 zones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, line 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now is our setting temperature. Green is our setting. Now is present temperature value. Now we are waiting. At this time, we can fit in the material into the extruder. Now we go here. And temperature heating. Take care. People not stand here. Now is our auto feeder. Tubes feeding. All feeding in the bucket. Material feeding. Now we're starting material feeding. You will see material down inside it. Same tool. All feeding. This is automatically. If feeder hoop is full material, he will stop automatically. Now, material feeding. Now we are waiting. Now we are waiting almost 30 minutes. Temperature will arrive. Then we can start the motor. Just waiting 30 minutes.